Fatty liver? Discover how fruit can help you. The liver, one of the body's most important organs, is responsible for many important functions such as fat metabolism, filtering toxins, and maintaining nutritional balance. However, excess fat buildup in the liver can seriously affect its health and function. Fat is necessary for the liver to function, but when the amount of fat in the liver exceeds it, it can lead to fatty liver, an increasingly common condition that can have serious consequences for health. In this video, we will learn about the important role fruits play in supporting liver health and helping to maintain the nutritional balance necessary for this organ. 1. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a fruit that plays an important role in supporting the liver and reducing the risk of fatty liver. Grapefruit contains a number of important nutrients and compounds, especially antioxidants such as vitamin C and flavonoids. These substances have the ability to protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals and other harmful agents. Grapefruit is also an important source of fiber, which helps optimize digestion and nutrient absorption. This can help control body weight and reduce excess fat in the liver. Furthermore, grapefruit also contains a lot of potassium, which helps maintain water balance and regulate blood pressure, which can support the liver's resistance to fatty liver disease. 2. Avocado. Avocado is a highly recommended food for people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It is considered a source of good HDL fats, which have the ability to help regulate blood lipids. This HDL fat has the ability to remove harmful impurities from the blood and protect the liver from damage. Avocados are also high in omega-3 fatty acids, an important ingredient that has the ability to slow the progression of fatty liver disease and may even help repair liver damage. Incorporating avocados into your daily diet not only increases healthy fats for the body but can also help maintain better liver health. However, excessive use of avocado also needs to be controlled to avoid increasing unwanted calories and fat in the body. 3. Banana. Banana is a recommended food for people with fatty liver disease, as it is a significant nutritional treasure. Bananas contain important vitamins such as B6, C, and A, all of which play an important role in supporting liver health. Vitamin B6 in bananas has the ability to promote fat metabolism in the liver and help improve liver function. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant in bananas, helping to protect liver cells from damage caused by harmful agents. Bananas are also high in resistant starch, an important type of fiber that can help improve liver health and aid in the body's detoxification process. However, it is important to remember to maintain a balanced and sensible diet, and do not rely entirely on bananas. Combining bananas with other foods, such as green vegetables and high-fiber foods, will help ensure nutritional diversity and optimize liver health benefits in cases of fatty liver. 4. Red grapes. Red grapes, with their powerful antioxidant called resveratrol, play an important role in protecting and improving liver health. Resveratrol found in red grapes has the ability to help the liver carry out the detoxification process, protect liver cells from damage and maintain stable liver function. Red grapes are also a good source of vitamin C and magnesium, both of which are excellent antioxidants. They have the remarkable ability to reduce liver inflammation and protect the body from infections. Vitamin C increases the immune system's resistance and helps enhance its ability to deal with bacteria and viruses. While magnesium plays an important role in fat metabolism and maintaining healthy liver function. 5. Orange and lemon. Citrus fruits such as lemons, oranges, and tangerines are important dietary sources of vitamins, fiber, and minerals. They play an important role in controlling blood fat levels and protecting liver health. These fruits are high in citric acid, potassium, vitamin C, and bioflavonoids, important ingredients that help enhance detoxification and reduce inflammation. The citric acid in these fruits has the ability to support fat metabolism and maintain healthy liver function. Potassium helps maintain water balance in the body and is beneficial for blood pressure health. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects liver cells from damage caused by harmful agents, while bioflavonoids help reduce inflammation and increase the body's resistance to disease. 6. Apple. Apples are not only famous for their delicious taste but are also a treasure trove of valuable nutrients for the body. In apples, we find vitamin C, fiber, carbohydrates, potassium, magnesium, and many other important nutrients. This makes apples a good choice to effectively improve liver health. The fiber in apples plays an important role in supporting the cleansing and detoxification of the liver. It helps remove harmful impurities and maintain stable liver function. Fruit is not only a delicious part of your daily diet but also plays an important role in maintaining liver health. They contain valuable nutrients such as vitamins, fiber, and important minerals, helping to balance nutrition and reduce fat in the liver. Incorporating these fruits into your diet is a natural and effective way to protect liver health and avoid problems related to fatty liver. Remember that a varied and healthy diet is always important in maintaining overall health and good liver function. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss the next useful videos from us. See you in upcoming videos.